That's nice. No. Okay. Alright. We are on page 22 of your Voyages book. And remember yesterday we were talking about words that could sometimes be used as nouns and then sometimes they could be used as verbs, right? So like there was an example of the word photograph. And sometimes photograph could be a noun if it was a person or not, if it was a thing. A photograph can't be a person or a place. So like if you said, Grady took a photograph of his class, that would be a noun. If you said, I just have to think of the tense. I'm going to use their sentence. Many students photograph their classmates. Now, photograph is a verb, okay, because it's something they're doing, okay? So today, it's kind of similar. We are talking about words that can be used as nouns sometimes, and the same word can be used as an adjective. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. What is an adjective? Mary?
Describing word?
Yeah, an adjective is a describing word. What does an adjective describe? Mia? A noun. Okay? So today we're looking at words that can either be the person, place, or thing at some times, and then other times that same word can be describing a person, place, or thing. It can be a noun or an adjective. Okay? So let's take a look. Page 22 says, a noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective describes a noun. Many words can be used as nouns or adjectives. In this sentence, the word constellation is a noun because it names a thing. Cooper, please stop talking. You are distracting me, much less maybe the people around you. So, ancient people mapped each constellation. Constellation is a thing in that sentence. It's a noun. In the next sentence, the word constellation is an adjective because it's going to describe the noun map. So the constellation map made in China was different from the map of the stars made in the West. So now you're saying what kind of map? The constellation map. So in that instance, constellation is an adjective. Okay? So you have to read the sentence closely to try to pick it out. Any questions so far? Okay, the next sentence says, tell if each word in red in the sentence is a noun or an adjective. Astronomers' research helps us learn about the stars. The word research, in that instance, is it a noun or an adjective? Look in your books if you need to look at it. Astronomers' research helps us learn about the stars. Is it a noun or an adjective? Lucas?
A noun?
It is a noun. What's the adjective in that sentence? Well, kind of.
There isn't one. Astronomers?
Yeah, the astronomers is actually describing, but it's also possessive. All right. The second one, research scientists help us understand the universe. What is research in that sentence? Kennedy?
An adjective?
It's an adjective. What is it describing?
Scientist?
The scientist. What kind of scientist? Research scientist. Okay? Any questions? Lucas?
So if it's an
pretty close to it anyway. Okay? All right, so exercise 1, let's do our practice. Tell whether each italicized word is a noun or an adjective. So read the sentence and then tell us what the italicized word is. Lucas, number 1.
Should I read the sentence?
Yep.
In ancient times,
Aristotle.
Aristotle made a model of the solar system. Adjective?
So the word is model.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? It's not an adjective. They made a model. So there, it's a thing. Okay? And remember that if you have the words a, well, no, not always in this situation. You can't use that always as a clue. But there's nothing describing that model.
Oh, I thought it was model of the solar system.
It is, but it's still a thing. It's a model. Okay? Number 2, Emily. Their model's an adjective. Do you see how it's telling what kind of a solar system? His model solar system. Okay, there it's an adjective. Number 3, Mary.
The night sky was an object of study for
Ptolemy.
Ptolemy. Night would be an adjective.
It's an adjective there. What is it describing?
Sky.
The sky. Okay, number 4. So I'm going to go back to Lucas's number 1. Lucas, when it has like a preposition after it, like model of the solar system, okay, the chances are it's going to be a noun. Okay. All right, let's do number 4. Right, number 4. Do I need to draw names? Maddie, you want to do number 4? Thank you. It's a noun. At night. Night is a thing, right? Another clue to that is it has a preposition in front of it. So it's part of a prepositional phrase. Remember, nouns and prepositional phrases. Okay, number 5. Ellen, number 5. Copernicus.
Copernicus' theory of the sun as the center of the universe went against the popular belief system of the times. Belief, I think, is a noun.
Not in this instance. It's an adjective because it's describing the system. What kind of a system? A belief system. Okay, so there it's an adjective. Okay, number 6. Lucas, I know you went, but
In the 1500s, people believed that the Earth was the center of the universe. Noun.
it's a noun, yeah. And peoples is also a noun. It's just a possessive noun. So that would be the same as astronomers in that one instance. Okay? Number 7. Grady.
Number 7,
Copernicus.
I can't say that.
Copernicus.
Copernicus
You did it.
was a true revolutionary, and Copernicus is
It's revolutionary is the
Oh.
word you're looking at.
revolutionary is the noun.
It's a noun. Yes, it is. Okay, number 8. Mia?
His revolutionary ideas changed astronomy forever. Revolutionary is an adjective.
It's an adjective. What is it describing?
Ideas.
Yep, ideas. It's telling you what kind of ideas. Okay? Do you guys have questions? Do you think, should we go on? Do we need to do more practice?
We should go on.
I think we're good. All right, homework is practice book page 19, okay? And that is due tomorrow, right? Practice book page 19 due tomorrow.